Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So made some adjustments to the sound. Just let me know in the comments if that's better. I know a lot of you were struggling and tried to fix it, but let's see if that's worked. Anyway, starting off on the 8 hour, DAX is a little bit of a different picture to Europe. We're still in a downtrend, very much in a downtrend. The levels that we were looking at yesterday, we kind of looked like a bit of a rejection here on the 8 hour with a big inside bar. But we are still making higher lows. So we're sort of bouncing off this 13,382, hovering around 13,600 at the moment. But yeah, the question is, are we just building a flag? Because there's a big move down, big flag, and then for another leg down. And that's pretty much what's been happening since March. So towards the end of March, this is what's been happening. You can see up, down, and then a big move up and down, but it's been making a series of lower highs and lower lows. So I would expect that to continue. So this area that we're bouncing is something we need to pay attention to. All right, let's just move through the time frames, get to where we can trade. If you look at the 3 hour this week, tails to the upside, tails to the downside, lots of confusion. It's not something that excites me that says I want to be trading here. Below the moving averages as well. Oscillators are all over the place at the moment on the 3 hour. Beginning of the week, it was a buying opportunity with them grouped to the downside, but still below the moving averages. So trend is down. We should be going with the trend, looking to short this. But if we switch across to the hour, and I'm going to minimize it a little bit so you can see we had a big move up on when was that? Tuesday, sorry. So we had a big move up on Tuesday, consolidation inside the moving averages. Then we had sort of the ECB talking, and then we had the USA with their CPI data that came out, which wasn't what the market was expecting. And we kind of pin bar off this level late in the session to reject, to come back down. So, big up, big down, big confusion. Still below the 155 on the hours, so trend is pretty much down. But look at these diversions here. So swing low there, a lower low there, where price is making higher lows. So for me at the moment, this is yet another sit on hands chart. Don't really want to get involved in wild swings like that. And I also don't want to get involved in little ranges like what's forming here. So on the 15, you can see we are rejecting the moving average at the moment, but it is after hours, not really paying attention to that. And these levels that we've got in are still the key levels you need to pay attention to. So at the outer ends to the downside, 13,382 is what you need to pay attention to. And on the upper end, 13,904 is what you need to pay attention to. So you start breaking above that area, and you can actually adjust it to yesterday's high, but I'm going to keep it in because that is the consolidation level that you see there. So start breaking above that, then you're looking for the upper trend line here. If we start breaking below this area, then watch out below, because then we've got a much bigger move coming. So for me at the moment, it is sideways. It's not something that I like trading. Don't trade ranges, especially not on the hour like this. I want to see a range break and a retest before looking for an opportunity to get in on that. So that's kind of my view on the DAX at the moment. It's sit cautiously and earn interest on your money rather than put it to work at this stage. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.